We're getting ready to go on a dinner date. So follow us. We're gonna get ready and come back when we're all dolled up. So right now we reached Mystic Side. Okay, so this is what I'm starting off with. It is the chili shrimp roll. It's not all that. It's really mid. Squeeze, yep. Why? Temperature you. Thank you. Thank you. The other ear, that's why you could have stared it. Ear? What he said that. Let me greedy. Scoop, scoop. You don't business? Look. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Woo! Yay! Oh, thank you. What's your birthday cake? Ready? What is this? This feels so thick. Ew, it's too nasty. I left my camera. But we're at GNO. We just got here.
Some people don't know welcome to girls' night out. And I mean some people next week we'll just come out earlier so we can party longer.
You only looking normal, girl, but you know what you're doing. You know what you're doing.
You want what?
I want shrimp, oxtail, rice and peas, baked mac and cheese, and a salad. Or you can do raw veg, because raw veg is...
You're so greedy.
Who's not bad? Turn up. We have a pint head.
Give it up to Jesus Christ. Stop singing.
Still over there pressuring right now. I have the peas over there boiling. Now chop over here managing. I'll make the Gaza man so happy.
Right in her. The good food.
So guys, right now we're at Jouvert. It was on, I seen it on TikTok, up Barbican side.
When I stop it, feel like attack. Someone always feeling bad. Even I am not dead. It's not like you want from me.
Six grilled oysters for 4.2. Lemon, I can get the menu is lemon garlic. So for my drink, I'm gonna get a Bellini because I know that's gonna be. Hold on, pause. I don't know what I'm gonna get.
Okay, we'll come back. Just see how I slave over the pot and she still come out rolling the thing. That's what I'm gonna do. It's not hot? Don't you stop. You just stuck up the food. Don't taste bad.
That is it, you know where we are. Jouvert. Newman sisters, they don't know nobody go subscribe to them thing and comment and share the videos.
Yeah.
Newman sisters, that is it.
It's connected to you.